Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best leisure and entertainment companies using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first, we are going to Los Angeles, California. Los Angeles is huge, so we're probably just going to increase it a bit. Probably like 30. I'm going to add that. Hit next to lock it in. Industries, we are looking for leisure, and we're looking for leisure, so I'm going to wait for this to load, sanity check, and then we're also going to do entertainment. We are going to look at our sanity check, and we are going to add this, and we're going to hit next to lock it in. So for key decision makers, we are going to select owners and founders and directors and executives. We're looking for one owner, but in case they have a C-suite title, it'll count for that as well. Filters, we want Google review score. So set this between a 3 and a 5. This just ensures quality. If a company's Google review score is between a 3 and a 5, then that means that they're respected by their clients and customers, and they're just going to be easier to work with. Which at the end of the day is the benefit for you. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We're going to add another filter here. And we want to see if they have ad pixels. So if they're willing to work with marketers. So advertisers on Facebook, yes. Or advertisers on Google, yes. Or advertisers on LinkedIn, yes. And make sure to set it as an or and an and instead of an and, because an and is exclusive. So it means that all of these have to be on a website for it to show up, where or just means only one of them has to be on a website. So that's what we want. So next to lock that in, we're going to go to our deliver step, reset that. We're going to select all the metrics, but I just want to go through them. So phone number, Google review count, score, GMB profile, and GMB claimed, all very important ones. Let's say they show up and they have ad pixels, but their Google business isn't claimed. This is like a very easy sale. The problem is they don't have their business claimed on Google, which would bring them in more sales. You could do that for them. You're the solution. Pretty easy sale, We're going to ignore direct dial as we're already getting direct email. Plus, this doubles the cost of our credits. Company Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and Twitter. We're going to add all of these. This is a good indication of what they're spending their marketing budget on, which, let's say they have a crazy good social media game, but their SEO is bad, then as the marketer that you have to shift, some of that budget into the SEO. Revenue, headcount, and data established, great for taking your 100 good leads to 20 great leads. Ad pixels are really good too. The ad pixels are really great. Great indication of, if they're willing to work with marketers. That's why we filtered it. Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed, all technology technology metrics. And again, great to filter your 100 good leads down to 20 great leads. All the technology metrics are great for turning your 100 good leads into 20 great leads. So basically great for determining like what you're going to include in your marketing package. Search terms, search location, and search position, good SEO metrics. So hit next to lock that in, finish, make sure to give it a title, set your contacts required. I always save it as a draft in case I launch it. I can stop it to, let's say I want to change a filter or something. I'm not starting from scratch. But with that being said, we are going to launch this. Leisure and entertainment in Los Angeles. It's allocating, which means that it's in our team's hands and you should receive your leads within 24 hours. So yeah, that's how you find the best leisure and entertainment leads using Coldlytics. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.